Welcome to the best picks. The best baby toilet seat is probably one of the most essential tools for parents navigating the potty training journey, offering a secure and comfortable transition for little ones from diapers to the big toilet, ensuring a positive and stress-free experience for both child and caregiver alike. Number 5. SKYROKU Potty Training Toilet with Step Stool Ladder. Worried about compatibility? Our potty training seat is designed to fit most standard and elongated toilets, ensuring it works in almost any bathroom. This potty seat grows with your child thanks to its adjustable step height. Its sturdy design can support up to 165 pounds, perfect for toddlers of all sizes. Safety is our priority. With non-slip feet and handrails, it provides great stability. The splash-proof design also helps keep your bathroom clean and hygienic. Cleaning is a breeze with its detachable seat cushion and smooth surface. Replaceable cushions ensure it stays comfortable and hygienic for a long time. Designed for your convenience, this potty seat folds up easily for storage. It's ideal for small spaces, making potty training less of a hassle. What we like? This potty seat offers an adjustable step height that grows with your child, making it a versatile option. It also features a convenient foldable design for easy storage. If you are looking for a seat that can adapt to your child's growth and save space, this is a great choice. What people say. The seat is padded and comfortable, there are handles for them to hold on, the size is perfect for his little tush, it's easy to clean and use and fits over all our toilets. The assembly was very easy. The materials are very sturdy and it stays on the toilet without being worried my daughter will fall off. It's great that everything is height adjustable for different toilet heights. I love that it has the built-in steps so he can climb up and down by himself. It makes him feel independent and I don't have to lift him every time. The seat feels really sturdy too, no wobbling or sliding, which was a big concern for me. Number 4. Jool Baby Folding Travel Potty Seat. Introducing the Jool Baby Folding Travel Potty Seat, your perfect companion for potty training adventures. Make potty time stress-free, wherever you are. Designed to fit both round and oval toilets, this seat offers a secure and comfortable experience for your little one. No more worrying about public restroom hygiene. With its non-slip suction cups, it stays firmly in place, preventing accidents and ensuring your child feels confident. It provides a stable and safe seating solution. This travel potty folds down compactly, making it easy to carry in your bag. It's ideal for outings, road trips, and visits to family and friends. It comes with a convenient free travel bag, keeping it clean and ready for use. Enjoy hassle-free potty training on all your journeys. Available in a delightful aqua color, it's as stylish as it is functional. Make potty training a breeze with this essential travel accessory. What we like? This potty seat is designed with portability in mind, making it perfect for on-the-go potty training. It comes with a free travel bag for easy transport. If you frequently travel or spend time away from home and need a convenient potty solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It comes with a carrying bag too. Super easy to clean wipe off. Folds up into one small section that can easily fit in a medium-sized purse or backpack. There's suctions on the bottom side, it secures well to the toilet seat. Creates a barrier from the madness. This thing is like a force field between my daughter and whatever disaster happened before we got there. It unfolds quickly, locks into place, and fits right on top of public toilets like it was meant to be there. And the best part? It's not slipping and sliding all over the place, solid grip, every time. It is very lightweight and affordable and very easy to carry around whether for travel or otherwise. The only thing you have to be careful is that when you remove it from the seat ensure that it is done gently so that the suction cup will not be damaged, for example by yanking it off the toilet seat. Number 3. Mayfair Next Step 2 Round Toilet Seat. Introducing a revolutionary toilet seat designed for the whole family. It seamlessly transitions from adult use to a secure potty training seat for your child. Say goodbye to bulky potty chairs. This innovative seat features a built-in toddler potty that tucks away neatly, saving valuable bathroom space and keeping things tidy. Enjoy peace of mind with its slow close feature, preventing loud slams and accidental pinches. A gentle tap is all it takes for a quiet close. Our unique stay-tight hinges ensure the seat remains firmly attached to the bowl, year after year. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. Cleaning is effortless thanks to its quick-release design. The child seat can also be removed once potty training is complete, making maintenance simple. Designed to fit all standard round toilets, including popular brands. Measure your toilet in seconds to ensure a perfect fit for your home. What we like. This toilet seat features a unique magnetic potty seat that tucks away neatly when not in use, keeping your bathroom tidy. It also has a slow close lid for safety and quiet operation. If you want a seamless transition between adult and child use and appreciate a clutter-free bathroom, this is an excellent option. What people say. The child seat inset can be easily removed when it is no longer needed. There's a small bump up in child seat, good design for little guys using the potty. It contains a magnetic child seat which stays out of the way when not needed. It is super easy to install and the soft close works great. It is easy to use for our kids to use with the magnetic child seat, and he doesn't fall in. Number 2. Mayfair Next Step 2 Elongated Toilet Seat White. Introducing a revolutionary toilet seat designed for your entire family. It easily transitions from adult use to a child-friendly potty training solution. Say goodbye to bulky potty chairs. This innovative seat features a built-in toddler potty that tucks away neatly, keeping your bathroom tidy and organized. Enjoy peace of mind with its slow close feature, preventing loud slams and accidental pinches. It closes gently with just a tap. Our unique stay-tight hinges ensure the seat remains firmly attached to the bowl, providing a stable and secure experience for years. Installation is a breeze. Cleaning is simple thanks to its quick-release design. The child seat can be removed once potty training is complete, offering long-term convenience. This thoughtfully designed seat fits all standard elongated toilets, including popular brands. Check our guide to ensure a perfect fit for your bathroom. What we like. Similar to the round version, this seat also boasts a magnetic potty seat that discreetly stores within the lid. It's designed for elongated toilets and includes a slow close feature for added convenience. If you have an elongated toilet and are looking for a space-saving and integrated potty training solution, this is ideal. What people say. The child seat inset can be easily removed when it is no longer needed. There's a small bump up in child seat, good design for little guys using the potty. It contains a magnetic child seat which stays out of the way when not needed. It is super easy to install and the soft close works great. It is easy to use for our kids to use with the magnetic child seat, and he doesn't fall in. Number 1. Little Too Big Elongated Toilet Seat. Introducing the Little Too Big Toilet Seat, designed to make potty training seamless for your family. It's a comfortable seat for everyone, adapting as your child grows. Transitioning from adult use to child use is simple. The integrated potty seat stays neatly tucked away until your child needs it, then easily lifts for use. Say goodbye to bulky potty chairs and inserts. This innovative seat saves valuable bathroom space and simplifies cleaning, keeping your bathroom tidy. Enjoy peace of mind with our slow close feature, preventing loud slams and protecting little fingers. It closes gently with just a tap. Our stay-tight hinges ensure a secure, non-shifting fit that installs in minutes. It's durable, easy to clean, and built to last. This USA-made seat is designed to fit all standard elongated toilets, including popular brands. Check our guide to ensure a perfect fit for your home. What we like. This toilet seat offers a 2-in-1 design, combining an adult seat with a built-in toddler potty. It's made for elongated toilets and features a slow close lid to prevent slamming. If you're seeking a simple, integrated solution that eliminates the need for separate potty chairs and fits your elongated toilet, this is a practical choice. What people say. The seat releases easily. The children lower it by themselves with ease and raise it up again after use. The built-in toddler seat flips down easily and fits securely, helping little ones feel confident without slipping or wobbling. When not in use, it tucks away seamlessly so adults can use the toilet as normal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.